Artebula's Little Makers. We're going to be making this awesome lion mask. Let's see how Brody's doing today. Brody, how are you doing today? Awesome! Do you love that I made you before we can play together? Yeah. High five. No. This is what we're making today with the materials. The materials are paper plates, a stapler, some strips of paper. You need to cut them either with scissors or a cut board. And we're gonna be using some staplers. Okay, let's get started. Hey little makers, we are gonna be using for the cheeks and the nose, we're gonna be cutting out some circles, or you could use felt or paper. You could cut out with the scissors in a circle. You could stick two pieces together and cut circles. So this is our cheeks today, and we're gonna be hitting them together, and then we're gonna be using the nose. If you want, you could pause the video if we went too fast, but we're gonna be gluing the nose and the cheeks to our paper plates. If you don't have hot glue, you could use regular glue. After you're done gluing, you should trace a circle and then ask your parents to cut them out before you don't cut yourself. So let your parent cut it out now. So we're gonna make polka dots on the cheeks for the lion. And we're gonna be letting our parents cut the eyes out. And now, take any color you want of the streaks, and then you could bend them together. You could take your stapler and then you could staple it on the paper plate. So this is how we're gonna staple it. It's pretty hard. So you could use any stick you want. I glued two popsicle sticks together. You could take one big popsicle stick if you want. You could take a stir stick for paint. But I glued two popsicle sticks together. So we're gonna glue it under here where you can't see it. And we're gonna flip it over before you can glue it on. So I have my hot glue gun. I'm gonna take the hot glue gun, glue there, and then glue it here. And then we let it dry.
If you like this tutorial and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're getting piles of artwork because of all this awesomeness, then you've got an app for that. It's called Artebula, and you can find it for free on the App Store and Google Play Store.